Hi, I'm Joe with Office Solutions, and in this video we're going to show you how to use job status on your copier, which is a handy tool to be able to control and see any jobs that's currently happening on your copier. So from the home screen of your copier, you'll have a job status shortcut button right here in the top right. And on this model, which most of the models look identical to this nowadays, you also have it on the bottom right. It says job status right there. The nice thing about having the shortcut in the top right corner is if you are in a copy mode or a scan mode, you'll always see it. You don't have to be at the home screen. So either way, if I'm at the home screen or in a copy mode, I can get to job status quickly by pressing either button. And currently the print queue and the scan queue is blank. There's nothing that it's currently working on. But as jobs are being processed and stacking up, you're able to change priority of jobs and cancel jobs and just view the progress. So in this case, if I start a copy job and I'm going to say I want 5 copies of the stack that I have here, and I'm going to hit start, the job status that's in the top right corner becomes kind of a little live status button, and it's telling me that it's printing from tray 4. As soon as that job starts printing, I have a cancel print button in the corner there. That's the fastest way to be able to just stop the job. But if I go to job status, you'll see here's my copy job, and it's working on one of 5 copies that I scanned. And there's also a print job that came in from the laptop. So I can change priority. You'll notice on the right side it says change job priority. I can stop and delete the job before it even starts. You can reselect paper if you sent a mismatch on paper size. So there's lots of things to be able to go in there and just view and control. And the best thing is to be able to stop jobs that you don't need. So that's how you stop and delete it. So job status can be really handy to just be able to get in there, see what's going on, and make changes to any number of jobs that is coming into the copier. And it tells you the user who sent the job as well. So again, just remember it's in the top right corner and in the bottom right corner of your Sharp Copier. Thanks for watching.